Good day everyone. So we are the political group and we will be discussing about tax and civil law.
Mabuhay! I'm Alex Sasso. Tax law and civil law play a crucial role in tourism and hospitality management, ensuring compliance, fairness, and smooth business operation. Tax law governs the financial obligation of the business in the industry, including income tax, value-added tax, and tourism-related duties. On the other hand, civil law covers legal relationships between parties such as contracts, liabilities, and consumer rights. Understanding and adhering to this law help business avoid penalties and maintain trust with customers and the government.
Thanks for making us understand why tax law and civil law is important in Tina. Now we have Katrina to give us an idea about the sectors of tax law.
Mabuhay! I'm Katrina Ito. Tax law in the tourism and hospitality sector includes various obligations that businesses must fulfill. Hotels, restaurants, and travel agencies must pay corporate income tax on their earnings, while sales tax or value-added tax apply to services offered. In many countries, special tourism taxes such as bed taxes or environmental levies are imposed to generate revenue for infrastructure and environmental conservation. Failure to comply with tax regulation can lead to fines, legal actions, or even businesses closure. Proper tax planning and record keeping are essential for ensuring compliance and financial stability. Thank you.
Thanks Katrina. Now it's time for Joanna and Christine to tackle civil law.
Mabuhay! I'm Joanna Salcon. Civil law in tourism and hospitality management primarily deals with contracts, liabilities, and consumer protection. Contracts between services providers and customers such as hotel, booking, and travel packages must be honored according to legal agreements. Additionally, business have a duty of care towards their guests, meaning they can be held liable for injuries, food poisoning, or accidents occurring on their premises. To minimize legal risk, establishment should ensure safety, clear contract terms, and proper insurance coverage.
Mabuhay! I'm Christine Galanga. Another key of civil law is consumer protections, which ensures that guests and travelers receive a fair treatment. Hospitality businesses must provide truthful information about their services, maintaining hygiene conditions, and respect customers' rights. False advertising, hidden fees, or discrimination can lead to legal dispute and reputational damage. Many countries have regulatory bodies that oversee consumer complaints and enforce compliance with hospitality laws.
Mabuhay! My name is Maxi Plata. So in conclusion, tax law and civil law are fundamental to tourism and hospitality management, affecting financial responsibilities, contractual agreements, liability issues, and consumer rights. Businesses that understand and comply with these laws can operate smoothly while avoiding legal troubles. Proper legal knowledge along with ethical business practices ensures a positive experience for both service providers and customers in